Mill-Erbgħa l-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta fetaħ għal 28 destinazzjoni oħra kif tħabbar ġimgħat ilu mill-Gvern. B'hekk, issa Malta fetħet it-triq mill-ġdid tal-pajjiżi bħall-Olanda, il-Kanada, it-Turkija u New Zealand. Dawn kollha se jingħaqdu mal-lista ta' 19 il-pajjiż li l-Ajruport diġà fetaħ għalihom fil-bidu ta' dan ix-xahar. Dan l-istazzjon żar l-Ajruport Malti fejn xi viżitaturi ġodda u oħrajn li diġà huma familjari ma' pajjiżna kienu ħerqana għal waħda mill-ewwel btajjel tagħhom wara l-pandemija.
We are all of us with the mask and everything seems okay.
Yeah, I felt very safe. Short flight, the staff were very conscious of what was going on and there were a lot of safety measures put in place for everything to be good.
I read that Malta, they sorted the coronavirus quickly, so yeah, I think that it should be, it will be fine. I don't see why there should be any problems.
Oh, it's good. I've been here like 3 times already, so I know it's a nice airport. Like everything's very quick. Like I've got my baggage like that.